To view historical data for a current class, click on the Class tab at the top of any page. The year drop-down on the far left is the student roster year. The current year is default, so leave it alone to select your current class. For the user drop-down menu, search for and select your name from the drop-down. In the course drop-down menu, you can select one or more courses to select your students rostered in PowerSchool. For the period drop-down, you can select one or more periods, or leave it alone if you are an elementary teacher. The assessment year drop-down menu can be used to select which year of assessment data you want to view. For example, if the current school year is 22-23, this would include any data that we've taken so far this school year. If I want to select last year's data, I would select 21-22 from the drop-down menu. I could also select one or more years, including the current year or other historical years of data. In the Categories drop-down, I can filter by subject area. In the Assessment Suite drop-down menu, I can select the assessment or assessments. For example, I could select iLearn. Map is NWA Map Growth, and Faunus and Pinnell. Then hit Search to generate the data below. To see a list of my current students and their historical results, I want to switch from Charts to Data Walls by clicking on Data Wall. I'll now see my current students and their historical results for the assessments that I selected.